how to shop for clothes in English? Today you will. 25 simple sentences. Let's go. I go to the shop. I go to the shop. I open the door. I open the door. I walk inside. I walk inside. I look around. I look around. I see many clothes. I see many clothes. I pick up a shirt. I pick up a shirt. I check the size. I check the size. I like the color. I like the color. I find my size. I find my size. I take it with me. I take it with me. I look for trousers. I look for trousers. I find a nice pair. I find a nice pair. I check the price. I check the price. I go to the fitting room. I go to the fitting room. I try on the shirt. I try on the shirt. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I like how it fits. I like how it fits. I try on the trousers. I try on the trousers. I feel comfortable. I feel comfortable. I make a decision. I make a decision. I go to the cashier. I pay for my clothes. I pay for my clothes. I take my bag. I take my bag. I say thank you. I say thank you. I leave the shop happy. I leave the shop happy. That's it. Very easy. Thank you for watching. Come back tomorrow for more English. Bye.